Gel electrophoresis is one of the most common ways of studying DNA. It's used in laboratories to identify criminals, figure out whether people are related, diagnose diseases, and more. The Bandit STEM Electrophoresis Kit from miniPCR Bio lets you bring this essential biotech method to your class with an integrated science and engineering approach that touches on concepts including electrical charge and circuits. With Bandit electrophoresis, students build it to understand it. First, students build a simple gel electrophoresis system to understand how electrophoresis works. Then, they use the system to perform a gel electrophoresis experiment. Bandit lets you integrate cross-cutting concepts into your curriculum while fostering hands-on engagement for students across all levels. Spark moments of curiosity and discovery as your students connect how the concepts of circuits, charge, and electricity that they learn about in physical science can be used as fundamental tools in the biology lab. Bandit is also the perfect partner for dye-based gel electrophoresis learning labs from miniPCR Bio. We've taken the complexity out of gel electrophoresis, and students can see their results as the gel runs in as little as 20 minutes, without the need for additional stains or visualizers. Bandit Dye Labs are a low-cost, hands-on way to explore topics like inheritance, genetic identification, and more. Bandit is durable and reusable. It offers a safe and affordable way to bring biotech to your classroom without breaking the bank. Bandit is powered by a safe USB power supply, so you can ditch the 9-volt batteries. The durable electrode wires can be reused for multiple experiments, and the kit comes with plenty of replacement wire. Teach STEM and biotech in a way that is fun and accessible to develop and inspire the next generation of innovators with Bandit.